Oh, don't just bump. There's $4,000 on the line here, guys. Let's get at it. There's nothing to lose here. But all the way, there we go. That's what we paid our money for right there. There's another one. Boom. Shake the dirt, boys. Shake the dirt. All they can see is 4 large. If they can win this jump car feature. Number 37's working hard to get out of that corner. He's hung up on the mini car, the Undertaker. There, they got him a first. Oh, just a good hit. Right to the front left corner. Looks like we got 3 tied up down here. Oh, down to 2. Get her rolling, guys. There's $4,000 on the line here. Oh, look at that. There we go. 98 is back in the game. '98's lining up for a good hit here. Car number 55 is one of the smallest in here, but got a big heart. We got 2 front-wheel drive vehicles left and 1 rear-wheel drive. That's it. Make the dirt spin. Get her around there. That's it. Chase them around. You got $4,000 on the line here. We're getting down here now, folks. We may be down to 2 cars. Once again, $4,000 on the line. Number 55 going in for the kill. Oh, 98's back, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. He ain't giving up yet. No doubt about it. I can't believe the heart that this number 55 has. Just will not give up. Number 55 knows how to drive too. Try to get them into the corner. Box them in. Here he goes. Oh, another good hit by car number 55. He's lining them up. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, we're done. Right there. We're done, 55. We're done. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. There's your $4,000 winner right there. Would the drivers of the small car feature please get ready? We've got